There's a lot of music. This is where we'll be eating.
Pork, walnut chorizo, fish.
Nice. I got braised bison and also Kool-Aid dipped pickled chips.
Black cherry Kool-Aid, fried pickle chips.
Basically what I said. Yo. We're not sure how we got up here, but it's fine. But look at this view, isn't this pretty? It reminds me of a 360 view of Thermopolis. Although we didn't get lost on that trail. So here's the loop. You come in right there, that's where you pay. You come this way, or park somewhere in there. You go around here. There's more trails over here. And we loop out. Oh, and those far things are old volcanoes. Turtle, cross. This is a yucca plant. But I think it looks like the staff weapon that Tilk uses. And if you get that reference, let us know. We're on our way to Santa Fe. We just spent some time in
Let's open up a
Albuquerque.
restaurant in Santa Fe.
Anyway, here we go. This is what we're gonna go up in the gondola. Side adventure.
Why we have so many dead trees over here is because of the bark beetle that hit Albuquerque about a decade ago. And because of Albuquerque's climate, they don't really have the chance to grow back after the bark beetle hits. So you just see a lot of randomly dead trees spread out the entire mountain, and that's what that is.
How was it, honey? It actually was. The timing worked out really well.
The timing worked out really well.
We walked in,
We got on the tram.
got on the tram,
We were able to stay up there for a little bit.
and came down at sunset.
Sunset.